You should always disconnect the washer from the wall outlet before doing any work on it. To open the controls panel, you will need to remove the screws on top of the panel. These are Torx screws, and you will need to use a Torx T20 screwdriver or a tip that you could use on a cordless screwdriver to remove them. Remove the screws from the top of the controls panel. And open the controls panel. Disconnect the power cord from the wire harness. Set your multimeter on the lower scale to read ohms and try it out to make sure that it works. When the two test probes are touching each other, the reading should be close to 0 ohms. And when they're not touching each other, the reading should be infinity. If the meter is working okay, let's check the cord for continuity. Place the power cord plug in this position with the round terminal on the top and the two flat terminals on the bottom like this. And the other end of the cord like this, with the point pointing to the top. Take a reading between these two terminals. Take a reading between these other two terminals. And take a reading between this terminal and the metal frame of the washer. Each one of the readings should read close to 0 ohms. If any of the readings reach infinity, the cord is bad and you need to replace it. To replace the cord, do the following. Unscrew the ground wire holding screw. To remove the cord, you need to press on 3 tabs located here. While pulling the cord from behind, press with the screwdriver on the tabs until you get the cord out. Insert the new cord through this hole and push it in until it snaps in place. Secure the ground wire to the cabinet with the holding screw. Close the controls panel and screw in the 4 screws on top of the controls panel. That was the way to check and replace the power cord.